Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have an unboxing to share with you guys. It's pretty late. I just got home from picking up these items, but I really wanted to film this unboxing and make it a true unboxing. And yeah, I just couldn't wait until tomorrow to open them because I'm really excited about these items. Just a quick little disclaimer. If you watched my video last weekend when I picked up a mini O case, I mentioned that one of the items that I bought today is something that didn't really work for me. I'm totally going back on what I said. Actually I'm not. It didn't work for me when I tried it in another brand, but I love this color so much that I'm going to try it again. So anyway, I'll explain more when I open it, but just so nobody comments and says, hey, you said you wouldn't be buying this because it didn't work. Anyway, this may be a foolish purchase, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, let's get into the unboxing. So here's the bag. So there are two items. So I think I'm going to open the one that I went specifically to purchase today, and then I'll open the other one that I kind of unexpectedly purchased at the same time. So there's the receipt. So there's two boxes in here. So this I'm going to open second, I think. Camellia fell off of this, but it was on there. So this one is the one that I went to purchase. So let's slide off the ribbon here. So that's the box. And here is the dust bag to reveal. Here is my Mademoiselle wallet on chain in the iridescent blue. And they call it blue, but it's actually more of a kind of a periwinkle blue, or it has like a tinge of purple in it. It's really pretty. It's the same color that I got the mini O case in last weekend. So I'll just show you that quickly in case you didn't see that video. So I love this color so much that even though I don't necessarily think that wallet on chains are the ideal style for me. I am willing to try it again partly because I think that this color is worth trying it again. It's just such a pretty and unique color, and I don't have any other bags that are anywhere close to this color. So when I bought the O case, I was like, oh, I really want a bag in this color, and as far as I know, this is the only bag that comes in this color. So I'm gonna try it. I may, who knows, if it really doesn't work for me, then it may end up getting sold, but I felt like it was worth a try. And I've never actually had a Chanel wallet on chain. I've only ever had a Dior one. And this one does seem a bit larger. So I'll just show you the inside. So here is the chain. So the hardware is silver, and the CCs have the enamel. There's still plastic on it, but you can see the enamel. And then there's this little part here. Don't mind my nails, but I need a manicure. But it says Chanel Paris right there, if you can see that. And it's just the regular walk layout, I think, on the inside. Not sure where here's the authenticity card. So it is a 27 series. And yeah, so I just love this color. I'm so happy to have a bag in this color, even if it is a really small bag. So that is my first item. So while I was there to pick up that item, because my SA had been holding that item for me, I came across this. So let's unbox this together as well. Just gonna try that. So there's the care booklet. And here is the dust bag to reveal yet another piece in this color. So this is the zippy coin purse, and it is a 27 series as well. And this is just the classic zipped coin purse with the 3 sections, again in the Mademoiselle style, in this really beautiful blue purple color, with the enamel hardware, and it's just so pretty. And this is my favorite SLG that Chanel makes. I have several of them, but they're so great. They hold so much considering how compact they are. And this one was made in Spain. So that is my little Chanel haul for today. So now I have this little set of 3. I'm really happy with this set. I just love the color. It's just, yeah, just such a unique color. I just think the colors that Chanel has been coming out with, they're just amazing. And that's just one of my favorite things about Chanel, is their unique colors that they come out with. They're just so beautiful. So anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the Chanel wallet on chain. Do you find that you're able to use it kind of as a bag, like on the weekends? That's kind of what I'm thinking of using it as, or an evening bag occasionally. How much are you able to fit in it? I'm really hoping it ends up working out for me, because it's just such a beautiful color. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.